Hi everybody, I'm MJ. Today I'm going to guide you through a meditation, a very short meditation, based on emotional sensation. And we're also going to be working with a technique called titration. So titration is when you go back and forth between a couple different techniques. And today we'll be going back and forth through emotional sensation and also through a technique called resource, which is finding a place of comfort in the body. So let's get started. Go ahead and find your favorite position to meditate. Really doesn't matter to me if you're lying down or sitting in a chair or sitting in a perfect Zen meditation position. And let's get started. You have to excuse me, I've got a little bit of a cold. So let's start by noticing what is supported in the body. We're just going to work really gently in the beginning here with the body, inviting it to relax. So we'll first notice what is supporting your body, what's underneath it. And you can notice a chair or the floor. You might notice your feet or your legs on the floor, your butt on a cushion. Maybe your whole backside of your body is laying on a bed. And we're really going to tune into that feeling of support. So your brain might imagine what that support looks like, and that's totally cool. But then gently bring it back to really feeling that support in your body. You might feel a certain size and shape of support. You might feel some sort of pressure or temperature. Might be warm or cool. I have to sneeze. So really feeling into what does it feel like to have my body held up in space? Maybe there's like a little energetic flow, like a tingle or a pulse or a throb. And then from this feeling of support, we're going to start to invite the body to relax into that. So inviting the forehead to smooth out, the jaw to drop, the throat and the chest and the shoulders to soften. Letting the arms be relaxed and still, letting the hands be still. Inviting the belly to relax, and the spine, the low belly and the pelvis and the hips, and your thighs, and your knees, your shins and your ankles, and all the way out through your feet. And inviting your whole body to soften. And then I want you to find a place in the body that feels more relaxed or more open or soft or pleasant than the rest of your body. The place in your body that feels the most resourced. We're going to label this place resource. And really noticing what that feels like, just like we notice support. Noticing pressure, pulse, temperature, size and shape. Really feeling that with your body. And letting go of ideas and images of what it looks like. Not that that's bad, that's just what your brain is doing. But really bringing it back to feeling it, feeling that resource in your body. Good. And taking just a couple more moments here, really absorbing any pleasure that you can get from this resource. Good, and then we're going to gently turn our attention to another type of sensation in the body. So staying with sensation, I want you to scan your body and see if you can find anything that seems emotional. So there's like a slight difference, right, between just physical sensation and emotional sensation. And ultimately in meditation, it kind of all mixes together, and the emotional sensation can just be physical sensation. But scan through your body and see if you find anything that feels like it's not just an achy knee or a sore muscle, but something that has an emotional quality. You might check out your face, your jaw, your throat, your chest, your belly. And land on one of those. And it's the same instruction here. We're just getting in tune with sensation. So we don't need to label it anxiety or depression or anger or anything like that. We're really just going to feel this place in our bodies. So is there tightness or constriction or expansion, a throb, a pulse, a temperature? And really feeling that sensation. You might notice that it changes moment by moment, or maybe it stays pretty much the same. Maybe it moves. Good, just a few more moments really feeling this quote-unquote emotional sensation. And then we're going to gently turn our attention back to resource. So where's that place in your body that feels relaxed, open, soft, or at least neutral? Some place in the body that feels okay and safe. Might be different or the same as last time. And this is the titration part, right? We're moving our attention back and forth, back and forth. So placing your attention back on resource. Really feeling that with your body, using all those beautiful nerves to inform you, what does that feel like? Is it warm? Is it cool? Is it solid or sparkly or tingly? Smooth? And I'll encourage you to really breathe into any pleasure that you can feel in that area of your body. So using that as a resource to fill out the rest of your being. Encouraging it to expand and be as big as it wants to be. Maybe smiling into it. And just a few more moments to really enjoy this resourced sensation. feeling your body in space, feeling your clothes on your skin and the temperature around you, noticing any sounds, and gently starting to open your eyes. Okay, thank you for meditating with me today. So you can see from our titration practice that you really are able to shift your attention, right? So this becomes a really useful practice, especially if you want to get into something and feel it and become more aware of it, but you don't want to slide into overwhelm. So please use this practice to investigate some emotional sensation in your body and also to find some relaxation and resource. All right, guys, thank you. Have a good day.